In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add transitions in CapCut PC. If you want to stop your video clips from awkwardly jumping from one shot to the next and make your edits feel much smoother, this is one of the easiest techniques you can learn. Transitions help connect clips in a way that feels polished and professional, especially for tutorials, screen recordings, and simple talking head videos where you want the pacing to stay clean and easy to follow. To begin, move your mouse to the top left area of the CapCut window and click on the Transitions tab. As soon as you open it, CapCut will show you its built-in library of transitions. This includes a wide range of free effects, from subtle fades and smooth directional movement to more dramatic animated styles. The good thing here is that everything is organized visually, so it's easy to preview what each transition looks like before you use it. If you're editing a professional screen capture or a tutorial, it's usually best to avoid overly flashy effects. Strong flashes and exaggerated animations can feel distracting and can take attention away from the content you're trying to teach. Instead, look over to the category list on the left side and choose Movement or Overlay. These sections tend to include cleaner, more modern transition styles that work well in instructional videos. Now browse through the transition thumbnails and look for simple options like pull in, slide, or dissolve. These are great choices because they add motion without making the edit feel overproduced. Once you find one you like, click the blue plus icon on that transition's thumbnail. CapCut will immediately place that transition on the seam between two clips in your timeline. In other words, it gets dropped right onto the cut where one clip ends and the next one begins. After that, go down to your timeline and click once on the small white transition block. This selects the transition so you can adjust how long it lasts. Then look to the top right Properties panel and find the Duration slider. Drag that slider down to 0.5 seconds. Keeping the transition this short is important because it gives you a quick, smooth shift between clips without slowing down the pace of your video. That's especially useful for tutorials where viewers usually prefer fast, clean editing. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you can turn basic cuts into polished, professional-looking transitions in CapCut PC. You're all set. Done.